In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine files into one PDF, Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll have a single clean PDF made from multiple documents ready to share or archive with no fuss. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro. You don't need to open any document first, just launch the application to its home screen. If your layout looks a little different, that's okay. The Tools panel and features we'll use are available across recent versions of Acrobat Pro. Next, head to the Tools area and choose Combine Files. This is the built-in feature designed specifically for merging different types of documents into one PDF. Opening it will bring up a workspace where you can add and organize everything before you merge. Click Add Files. In the file picker, select all the items you want to combine. Acrobat Pro supports a wide range of formats: PDFs, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint decks, and common image files, so you can bring everything together in one go. You can select multiple files at once, and when you're ready, click Open to load them into the Combine window. You'll now see thumbnails for each file. Arrange them in the exact order you want by dragging and dropping. If dragging is tricky, use the Move Up or Move Down controls to fine-tune placement. The order you see here becomes the final page order in the merged PDF, so take a moment to get it right. A quick tip: if you often merge the same kinds of files, giving them clear names first can make arranging faster because you'll instantly recognize what each file contains. When everything looks good, click Combine. Acrobat will convert non-PDF files to PDF in the background and then merge them into a single document. The time this takes depends on the number and size of your files, so give it a moment to finish. Once the combined document opens, save it right away. Go to File, then Save, choose a clear file name, and pick a location you'll remember, like a project folder or your desktop. It's a good idea to quickly skim the merged PDF to confirm the order and content look correct. Keep your original files in case you need to make changes later and recombine. That's it. Your files are now consolidated into one polished PDF. Use this workflow anytime you need to bundle reports, presentations, images, or forms into a single shareable document. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.